The 2023 Nigerian presidential election will be held on 25th February 2023 to elect the president and vice president of Nigeria. Incumbent APC President Muhammadu Buhari is time-limited and cannot seek re-election for a third time. Other federal elections, including elections to the House of Representatives and the Senate, will also be held on the same date, while state elections will be held 2 weeks afterward on 11th March. The winners of the election will be inaugurated on 29th May 2023, the former date of Democracy Day. President Muhammadu Buhari struck a chord of humor on Wednesday at the State House in Abuja while responding to a flowery speech by Senator Kashim Shettima, the running mate and vice presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in the 2023 elections, saying, "I will respond to your speech when I am handing over to you and your boss. God willing, you are going to win." President Buhari, who received the VP candidate shortly after he was unveiled by the leadership of the party and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, said he was very happy with the choice of the former governor of Borno State as running mate to the APC presidential candidate Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In a statement by presidential spokesman Garba Shehu, Buhari said, "I wish you the best. Your consistency in the party is very respectful. You served your 2 terms as governor and finished well. You have kept touch with your base. At every important occasion or event, you are maintaining support for the one who succeeded you. This is commendable." The president expressed strong optimism that the APC presidential ticket will emerge victorious in 2023. In his remarks, the vice presidential candidate thanked the president for his empathy, support and positive role leading to his emergence as running mate to the APC presidential candidate. He praised the president for having a special place in his heart for Borno and Northeast, adding, "I can cite 20 to 30 instances of support you have rendered for which you will be remembered." The former governor of Borno State and incumbent Borno Central Senator requested the president to appreciate his successor, Governor Babagana Zulum, who was in his company along with the Minister of State Agriculture Mustapha Babashehuri, for spawning of him and pressure from his governor colleagues to bid for the vice presidential ticket. The candidate pledged to remain loyal and devoted to the president, promising that his vice presidency will not be for the troika of Hausa, Fulani and Kanuri, but for all Nigeria, irrespective of ethnicity, religion or geographical place of origin. So here you are. With this, we have come to the end of today's video. Make sure to share your thoughts on the comment section below. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as not to miss out on our future uploads. Thanks for watching. Peace.